You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
All right, welcome. We're kicking off a special product Thursdays today, and we're really getting into the design world. Some pretty fascinating stuff happening, reshaping how we actually create things, from AI tools that feel like science fiction to, well, completely new ways teams are working together. This should be interesting.
Oh, absolutely. There's a lot of movement for sure. It highlights incredible innovation, but also, some pretty critical challenges, things creators really need to get their heads around.
Yeah, definitely. And I guess we have to start with AI, right? It's just everywhere. Like Snapchat's Imagine Lens letting users just type, turn me into an alien, and boom, AI image. For subscribers anyway. And for the 3D folks, NVIDIA's AI Blueprint. It uses things like Microsoft's Trellis model. Generate up to 20 3D objects just from text? That's apparently streamlining prototyping by like 20%. Huge.
It's seriously impressive, the speed of it all. Rapid creative output.
Yeah.
But here's the thing, and it's kind of a big one. Designers, they really need to resist just taking that first AI result and calling it done. There's this framework, the Eden Loop Explore, diagnose, elevate, nurture. It's more than just a name. It's about strategy. You explore the raw output, diagnose its issues against your actual goal, then elevate it with human skill and nurture that final piece. If you skip that, you're basically just accepting AI's first draft. You lose that creative multiplier effect. It still needs human judgment.
That's a really good point. Explore, diagnose, elevate, nurture, Eden. Because it's tempting, right? Deadlines are real. Just taking what looks good enough from the AI must be a huge pressure.
Oh, immense pressure.
Yeah.
And that pressure, it connects directly to how teams themselves are changing. We're seeing these shifts in structure, like Pahal is refreshing the Eurovision brand. They used a really flexible sort of freelance hub and spoke model for the 70th anniversary. Very different from a traditional agency setup. And then you've got Slack's Design Ops team, tiny team, right? 3 people, but they're making a huge impact by smartly splitting work across strategy, people programs, and product systems. It's all about being nimble.
So agility and impact drive these new structures, but agility isn't everything. That user trust piece seems more critical than ever, doesn't it? Especially as tech gets more complex.
Exactly, and we see this, well, painfully highlighted with Adobe lately.
Yep.
They're facing legal issues, accusations about unclear subscriptions, hidden fees, making cancellations deliberately hard.
Ooh, yeah, I saw that.
It's a stark reminder, Amazing tech doesn't matter if you break user trust. And that leads us right into something called the Iceberg UX Model, which is super relevant for AI.
The Iceberg UX model. Okay, I like that analogy. So most of the experience is hidden.
Pretty much. It suggests like 90% of an AI product's user experience is actually below the surface, invisible.
90%. Wow. So what's down there?
It's all the stuff you don't immediately see, but definitely feel. Think about when an AI gets something wrong. The UI might look great, but if the error handling is bad or there's no way to recover, trust just evaporates. So the crucial parts aren't just the slick visuals. It's the fallback flows for when the AI fails. Confidence indicators showing how sure the AI is, solid error handling, that kind of thing. A lot of AI teams, frankly, mess this up. They focus too much on the pretty surface and neglect these deeper, invisible layers. And that's what kills retention.
That focus on the unseen, the 90%, that's a massive shift in thinking, especially since the whole design field is just blowing up right now. The numbers are wild. The global software design workforce set to grow over 30% from like 107 million to 144 million people between 2025 and 2029.
Huge growth.
And UX design roles are leading that charge, growing fastest at about 7.6% yearly. Plus, the tools. AI website builders launching sites from a prompt, tools for amazing slides, UI libraries like Kelp for developers, even really unique type foundries like Brutal Types, digging up old European letter forms. It's vibrant.
It really is a dynamic space. And yeah, generative AI will definitely speed things up, but that just puts more pressure on designers to nail that usable, appealing AI experience.
Yeah.
Which means understanding that invisible UX, that iceberg, is more critical than ever. It's the whole experience that counts, not just the shiny top layer.
What a landscape, seriously.
Yeah.
So AI as a co-pilot, not the pilot, new team structures shaking things up, and this huge reminder about user trust being built way below the surface. So wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway for everyone listening, whether they're designers, PMs, whoever?
Yeah, I think the core thing is this. Design's getting more automated. Teams are more spread out. So the big question we all need to ask is, how do we make sure we're not just building things fast, but building things that are genuinely human-centered,
Yeah.
things that are trustworthy and actually resonate with people? That's the real challenge now. making sure the tech serves us.
A perfect thought to chew on, making sure the tech serves the human. Love it. Okay, that's all for this Product Thursday's Focus. Until next time.
Spoken Tech for your ears.